Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you or going to teach you how to play games on Snapchat on your device. First, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get on it. The first step that we need to do is to simply launch or open up the Snapchat app on our device, and then after that we are going to click on to chat here on the bottom part of our screen. Just tap onto the chat section, and then on the upper part we're going to tap on the icon search icon rather, and then type in here game, and then tap on search. So we'll need to scroll down, so and until we go to in this section right here, we're going to see a different games that is available to use here on Snapchat, and then just type in view more in order to view more games that is available for you to use. And to proceed into playing these games, you just need to tap onto the game that you want to play, and then that is how you play games here on Snapchat. That is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.